Look at that carbon intake box and engine cover, sick looking. Front carbon lip, carbon side extensions on the side skirts, pretty sick looking. Audi on air ride. Here you go for you Hyundai Veloster guys. There's a Veloster with a pretty cool wrap on it. Full cage, NRG seats. A little bit of a system in the back, couple of kicker subs. Well, that's just this side over here so far, guys. So let's move over to here. We'll check out this whole other side after I grab some food. So this is a special Japanese alcohol drink. It's a grapefruit and salt, 3%. There's really no way for me to record and vlog here because the music, I'll get, you know, copyright act. So I'm just gonna walk around and shoot everything kind of in a B-roll for you guys. So for you guys that aren't familiar with me, my name is Josh. This is JDM Right Hand Drive. I'm an automotive YouTuber. I do car show content. I work on cars. I go to track events, stuff like that. If you like this type of content, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And let's get back to today's video. There's a nice VA WRX, pretty clean, nice little front lip on there, front splitter, little canards, side skirts, everything's very clean. TE37 SL's on there, stock STI wing with the Perrin stabilizers, very nice looking. Packway car crew. And I like the rear end bumper on this so much better than the VB WRX. Looks very clean. It's got a titanium Tomei exhaust on there. Little side skirt spat extensions, or little bumper side spat extensions. This R8 is sick. I also like this Blob Eye WRX over here. This thing is nice looking. My goal with today's video is for anybody that's curious what Pacific Northwest car culture is like, is to shoot everything that you guys could possibly see if you were here in person on today's video, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. This S14 is sick. It has a 350Z VQ35 in it with a big turbo. I love the front end on it. It's very like just a whole bunch of custom stuff done to it. Engine bay, everything's widened rear quarter panels. Beautiful car.
Well, that's pretty much it, guys, for all the car show cars. I'm gonna walk over here to the customer parking. There's some more cars over here since we've arrived, and just see what's there.
Bunch of other goodies, Civic hatchback, WRX that we already saw. Let's just do a little walkthrough. Was that a Civic Si, 1999 or something? Got a Honda Odyssey, some wheels on it, Evo 10.
Well, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what car was your favorite one at the show. If you guys are from Pacific Northwest, I hope you guys enjoyed the car show. If you were unable to make it and got to, see something in the video that if you could have been there, kind of get the experience it for yourself. And for you guys that aren't from Washington or the Pacific Northwest, I hope you guys enjoyed being a part of the car culture in today's show. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Thank you so much, Brandon.